Hi, this is Chris with Truckee Meadows Pest Control. Today on What's Bugging You, you found out you got bed bugs. It's about the worst news you could ever hear, and trust me, I hate delivering that news to customers. I swear I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Maybe my worst enemy. Number one thing, I can't stress this enough, is do not use home products bought at Home Depot, wherever you go, to get the bed bug aerosol, bombs, whatever. It's the worst thing you could do. It pushes the bed bugs into other areas. You're not going to kill them. I can't count the amount of times I have gone into a house and seen people sprinkle diatomaceous earth everywhere, throwing the crap everywhere. I've even seen it in ceiling fans. I don't know what the hell these people are doing, but if you put diatomaceous earth down, if you see it on the ground or see it anywhere, you've already put too much down. And I have literally seen white chalk lines like a football field going through people's houses. The only thing it's going to do is dry out a couple of bed bugs. Best case scenario. You need professional grade products to eliminate bed bugs. After you've been told you have bed bugs, we're going to give you a prep list of things to do. There's probably at least 20 different things that you need to do, like washing your clothes in hot water, drying them in a dryer, and reaching a minimum of 140 degrees for 45 minutes, minimum, to kill the bed bugs. But there's an entire list of things that we're going to give you to do before we treat. I guarantee if you're going the DIY route, you're not prepping properly, which means you might think you're getting rid of the bed bugs, but they're just going to come back in full force. Even in our industry, we are constantly evolving and finding new products because bed bugs become resistant to the materials that we're using. Do not use home remedies. They do not work. And what ends up happening is you end up spending more money trying to resolve the problem than taking care of it the right way the first time by calling a professional. Remember, control is what it's all about. Give us a call today for a free bedbug monitor, 332-0604, or visit us on the web, tmpestcontrol.com.